Since I was a kid, I've been interested in making money. I mean the kind of interest that makes you open up your banking app at 2:13 a.m. just to check. The result of all that trial, error, caffeine, and occasional existential spiral is a collection of passive income streams that currently earn me an average of $678 per day. Today, I'm going to break down exactly what those income streams are, but more importantly, how you can start building your own. If you like to learn more about money in a way that doesn't put you to sleep like a dusty textbook, and you enjoy full transparency around what can actually work, do yourself a favor and subscribe to the channel. I promise to fill your YouTube algorithm with more income building content than you know what to do with. Now, let's talk about why passive income matters in the first place. Most people dream of the day where money comes in whether or not they clock in or they don't. Maybe you want more time with your kids, or maybe you want to work remotely from a cabin in the mountains, or maybe you just want enough financial cushion that ordering your favorite snack from Uber Eats isn't a budgeting decision. Whatever the reason is, passive income gives you options. It can pull you out of survival mode and move you toward choice. The good news is you can build income streams that eventually work for you instead of you working for them. Just remember this, passive income doesn't usually happen in an instant. I know people love the idea of sleeping while money hits their bank account, but they tend to forget the part where they don't sleep much while building that stream. If you think long term, like 5 to 10 years instead of 5 to 10 days, you can set yourself up to win. All right, enough philosophy. Let's unpack the exact passive income streams that built my daily average. My first real passive income stream came through e-commerce. Remember that idea of making money while you sleep? E-commerce can be that path. Once my online store was built and automated, it kept working whether or not I was grinding or completely offline. Now, in the beginning, it wasn't glamorous. There were failed products, late night website edits, and customers who treated tracking numbers like oxygen. But once I dialed into my systems, using some simple AI tools, finding product sourcing websites, automating fulfillment, creating easy customer service templates, and mastering the art of marketing, the store became a machine. Sounds like a lot of work, right? Well, the truth is it was. However, the beauty of e-commerce is scalability. One product can sell thousands of times. If you want to replicate this, I suggest starting simple, build your first online storefront, test products, refine what works, and let the store work even when you're not. This one income stream now makes me roughly $80 per day. My second passive income stream came from digital products, which quickly became one of the most efficient ways I ever made money online. Unlike physical products, nothing needs to be shipped, packed, printed, or stocked. And once a digital file is created, you can sell it one time or 10,000 times without ever touching it again. It's the business equivalent of cloning, but no science or lab coat required. I started with simple digital products, templates, guides, downloadable tools, things people could use immediately. The setup took time, but once those PDFs and digital assets were finished, something incredible happened. They kept selling. When I wasn't promoting them, people would buy while I was sleeping, I was traveling, or even working in another more traditional job. The beauty is that digital products scale forever. There's no inventory limits, there's no restocking fees, no supply chain headaches. One file has the potential to become a lifetime revenue asset. The only job is creating something valuable once, then letting automation handle the heavy lifting. If you want to start, think about something that someone would like or they would want to learn, package it, publish it, and let your digital products do the selling for you. On average, this income stream earns about $100 a day. If you're still with me, your attention span is already stronger than 80% of the internet, and you clearly care about building income streams. This is a good time to remind you to subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos, more strategies, and more ways to make money, and you like where this is going, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what comes next. My third passive income stream, which brings in almost $85 a day, is affiliate income. If you've ever suggested a restaurant to a friend and you didn't get paid for it, affiliate marketing is the universe's way of correcting that injustice. Instead of recommending things for free, you recommend products and services you actually use and believe in, and then you earn commission whenever someone signs up through your link. It's the referral-based version of passive income, and it's shockingly powerful when done right. In the beginning, I approached affiliate marketing casually, but once I realized how scalable it was, everything changed. People would watch a video, click a link, purchase something helpful, and I would wake up to commissions I didn't physically work for. It felt like digital magic, except instead of a rabbit coming out of a hat, payments came into my account. What I love most about affiliate income is the compounding effect. One product recommendation today can generate profits for months or even years as content continues to get views, no shipping, no customer service. Just value, connections, and systems. If you want to start, I would suggest picking a niche using products you believe in and sharing them authentically. The commission follows naturally when people trust you. This income stream brings me $85 a day on average. My fourth income stream is YouTube itself. I've uploaded hundreds of videos over the last 2 years, and yes, it took thousands of hours, and many of those hours were spent learning, lighting, editing videos, deleting some videos, crying over those videos, and then uploading those videos anyway. But once a video of content exists, it becomes an engine. Videos can generate ad revenue long after you stop thinking about them. Today, my channel averages around $10,000 to $14,000 per month. That income changes based on my video output. That's why diversification is important, and you can learn more about it in the article linked below. I don't rely on one income stream to carry everything, the same way you shouldn't expect one plant in your garden to feed your entire family. If you want to start creating content, you don't need perfect equipment. You need consistency, volume, and plenty of comeback jokes for the folks in the comments. You'll get better as you go, just like everyone else. The last income stream I'll share is dividend investing. I don't lean on it heavily anymore, but it used to be a major part of my portfolio. Dividend stocks can pay you quarterly simply for owning them. Just remember, dividends are not guaranteed, stock prices move, and gains can quickly disappear. Research and risk management matters, and if you want stability, try diversifying instead of going all in on one shiny ticker symbol. This income stream makes me around $80 per day. If you want to build passive income, my advice would be to start with one stream. Focus, learn deeply, and grow steadily. Many people want 5 income streams, but very few can succeed without mastering one first. You don't plant 7 gardens on day 1. You plant one and you grow from there. If you made it all the way here, you're officially part of my community. Please drop a comment that says "made it." I'm glad that you care enough to take control of your financial life, and I do hope that you subscribe and stick around to keep building with me. Your future lifestyle is waiting, your new income streams are waiting, and the work starts right now. The payoff is worth it, and I'll see you in the next one.